Today, we are doing the crank hub on the F80. The long-awaited crank hub, bro. If you guys don't know already, these cars have like a common problem with the crank hub. From what I've heard, it's like a very poor design, and when you push a lot more power than stock on these cars, or even stock, bro, it's actually happened on stock cars before where the crank hub spins. But what happens is if you downshift very aggressively, or you rev it all the way out too much, the crank hub could fail. And when that happens, you can say goodbye to your engine, bro. Very sketch. That's why they advise you to do the crank hub job before you even tune these cars. And me, I tuned this car about like maybe 4 or 5 months ago, maybe even longer than that, and I have not done the crank hub. So I did it kind of backwards, and I kind of been just risking it, hopefully nothing happens. Because I'm not gonna lie, every time I drive this car, I am a little paranoid, bro. I'm always thinking, what if the crank hub spins? I try not to push it that much, I try not to step on it that much, but after today, we will have no worries about that, and we could beat on the car. Also, when you do the crank hub, they actually have to drain the oil too, so this car's also getting an oil change today. Yes, finally, guys. If you guys have not seen it, we actually got the all white on white look now. There's no more livery. I think it looks sick. I think it looks 10 times better. That's the one thing I hate about the CS. It doesn't have the comfort access. My last F80, you just unlock it, lock it, you know, the comfort access. But this one doesn't have it because race car, the CS doesn't come with it. The CS also doesn't come with the glove department, if you guys know that, or center console, whatever you call it. No center console, it's just like an Alcantara piece right here. For lightweight reasons, I guess. But we're about to head to my boys over at S5X Performance. They're the ones who actually did the crank up on my last F80 as well. The only people to trust, to be honest. My boy Cody has done thousands and thousands and thousands of crank up jobs. He could probably do the crank up with his eyes closed. I guess he got a new shop too, so I'm excited to see that. Also, if we have some time, which I don't think we do, I need to stop by Beamer Plug and get this new front lip on the car. I hate the car without a lip. But yeah, how dumb is the crank hub issue? Like, why did BMW make something that's defective? It honestly should have been like a recall or something, because why do we gotta go and pay thousands of dollars to get it fixed? There's no way she's hanging her clothes on the cage.
Something very bad happened.
Guys, I hit another bump on the freeway and the car again went airborne. Dude, I think this back suspension, the rear is like too stiff. Every bump you hit, you just feel everything.
Saw something fly off.
Yeah, she said she saw something fly off. Let's see the damage. Hopefully, is the under tray there? Hey, the under tray's there. So what fell off? That's what I want to know. Oh, these are definitely scraped. Look how scraped that is. I think everything's there. Side skirt's there. I think we're good. I don't know what fell off, but something fell off. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about right here. It's crazy to see it next to like a stock F80, huh? I mean, yeah, it's pretty much completely stock. No lip, the older headlights, stock wheels. And then you see this thing with the new hood. If only I had the lip on it, but look how low my car is compared to that one. What color DRLs do we do, guys? I don't really like the yellow. I mean, it's cool because it's like the only color on the car now, but I think I want to change it up. Maybe go back to just white DRLs. It's honestly really crazy to see it next to that. Look how low my car is compared to that one. That's kind of crazy. This dropped at least like 3-4 inches. Cody's about to bring the F80 in. But guys, look at his new shop, dude. Last time I came to do my last crank hub, he was at his previous shop, which is probably like, I think it was one bay. It was like one lift, I think. It was probably that lift. And now he got a whole shop, bro. I think he said like 6,000 square feet. It is sick. And obviously F80s everywhere, bro. My boy Cody knows everything about these cars. Literally like the back of his hand, dude. This is his personal F80. This thing is insane, bro. I gotta show you guys all these cars because they're all crazy. But this is his personal one. It's a full track car. Got like the upgraded brakes, fully gutted inside. He even got buckets in the back to give your homies rides, bro. That is sick. S5X Performance, guys. If you guys need your crank up done, this is literally the only place to go to, bro. Do not go anywhere else. It's a very tedious job. You do not want that to fail. And he's done thousands of these, like I said. You guys already know I love TEs on F80s. I feel like it's the best looking wheels. Oh yeah, this is how my diffuser looks right now. Probably worse, to be honest. The under tray is so sick, but it just hangs too low, so everybody's gets damaged. But when they're new, you guys should see how beautiful the carbon looks under here. Oh, it's a CS too. No way. See, that is sick. I love seeing people mod the CSs. That's an M4 CS too. Sheesh. I guess both of them make like 800 horsepower, which is kind of crazy. See, when I start seeing like other F80 builds like these, this makes me like not want to sell my car. Because I always talk about selling the F80, but I know I would regret it. Like once I see stuff like this, I'm like, damn, I have one of these. This one's insane though. He got the headlight delete too.
Looks like the mouth of a whale.
A whale? Where did you come up with this?
It does.
Look, it has no headlight. What do you think it's for?
To go faster, you told me. Right?
Yeah, but what do you think it's for?
Turbo.
Yeah, kind
You
of.
taught me. I forgot. I guess.
Pretty much, yeah, so the air could go through and cool the engine, turbo, everything down. BBS's. Sheesh. Oh, you got the green caps. That's clean. Something different. Green BBS caps. About to get the crank up done finally. Now I can finally feel comfortable pushing on the car, bro. I've been just babying it, dude. I drive it like a grandma, dude. I don't even try to step on it. 2018. Are they better?
No, so.
Or it's still bad?
Notice that the 14s, 15s, when those were built, those had like the best torque.
Oh, shoot. So older ones are better, technically.
But usually the 2018 plus that we see spin.
Oh, shoot. Then I was wrong, bro. I thought the newer ones were maybe better.
Yeah, especially the first year M2 comp.
Yeah.
Those we see fail the most.
Damn. That is insane. Good thing we're getting taken care of, bro. That? She said it looks like a whale's mouth.
That's exactly what that looks like.
Guys, look, Cody's nice enough to let us drive his car. X3M. It sounded crazy when you pulled up.
Yeah. I'm just letting you know, whenever I let people drive this, they usually get one in like within the month.
Wait, what engine does this one have?
S58.
S58, right? This is what Fresh Kicks just bought,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
No
His is
way,
plus,
bro.
yeah. So mine's 21, his is like 22 plus.
Yeah, but still, that has the same G80 motor, dude. That's insane.
Yeah.
So you had to unlock it and everything too?
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro.
You can buy it 2020.
Yeah.
If it's before the production date is before 06.
Oh, so you don't have to unlock it.
You can just
Yeah.
use MHD.
Bro, that is sick. I've actually never driven one before, and I'm very excited to drive an SUV with the G80 motor. So I think I will be convinced. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see what the hype's about, bro. I know a lot of people love these. It's insane that this thing has a G80 motor. How crazy is that? Do you like it?
Little boo-boo.
But there's so much hype around this right now, huh?
Yeah, they're supposed to be like scary though, I guess.
I heard about that too.
Yeah.
They do look a little scary.
They do look cute though, look at the little hands.
Of course, Cody got car parts in here. Like me, huh?
Yeah, they're all the same, huh?
F80 in the air.
She was a fairy.
Dude, she's way up there.
She?
Yeah, she. Really got like
No, here we go.
5 girls.
I know, I could just tell when he's about to start saying something.
I got like 5 girls, guys. Which is the main one?
What would happen if I said I have 5 guys?
Is Ari the main one or you the main one?
You tell me.
Oh, you're the intakes? What the? But my intakes don't even sound like that.
Whoa.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this might be faster than my G80, guys. The fact that it's all-wheel drive.
Whoa!
Oh my God, there's a cop. Oh my God, there's a cop.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my God, there's a cop already.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, you didn't
and you
see
almost
him?
hit this person.
You didn't see all the cops.
Oh my god, he's never gonna let you drive his car again.
I feel like the cop's face was like, I heard a sports car, but I saw an SUV.
He saw a van.
They were all looking at me. There was like 2 or 3 of them. Oh my God, dude, this thing is fast.
See, this camera is heavy. I cannot hold it like that.
What
Wow.
the camera flies at you?
No, it's too heavy. The front of the car lifts up. I'm not kidding. That's how I feel like how fast we're going.
Ready?
No, I'm not doing it.
You almost knocked Josephine out with the camera again.
Again, I don't think.
I was
it
trying to
sounds,
launch it.
it sounds like I'm being dramatic. This is a heavy camera. It's really heavy.
Yeah, this camera's huge, guys. I almost went to her face when I launched it. Shout out to Cody once again, bro. Not only is he gonna do the crank up on the F80, but he also let us borrow the car for the day, so that is sick. But honestly, the burbles are loud.
Loud and fast.
It is faster than my G80 maybe. And an SUV is crazy to be faster than a G80, bro. Imagine just putting up on a G80 and telling him to race and you just gap him in an SUV. This is the stock crank up. He actually said it's not that bad for the mileage that the car had. Like these probably are around the same mileage on another car. And look how crusty it is. But this is a new one, 4 pins, so definitely will not spin. These actually drill into the crank, which is kind of crazy, but that helps it from spinning. Now it has like 4 different locks, right?
Yeah, this is the drilling fixture that we created. So that sits in the front of the front main seal. and all the metal shavings fall out of the front of the
Oh, that's smart too.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people drill into it and the metal shavings go in the motor.
Yeah.
He is gonna try it blindfolded. He said he's gonna try it on his own car. I think it would be funny, bro, because he's done so many. I feel like he probably could do it. I know he could do it. What's the fastest you've done it?
2 hours.
2 hours, bro? That's insane.
That was with the Vargas up for drilling.
Yeah.
2.5 hours.
Damn, that's crazy. Look how nice this car looks in the sun, guys. It's probably like one of the nicest F80 colors. Wow. Super clean. Oh, you got the CS hood too? Bro, that is nice. And you guys see what I mean? Look at the lip. It changes the entire car, bro. This car looks naked without a lip. Also, you know what I realized? I lost these little pieces. Look, one fell out right here and on the other side too. It's just a little like plastic vent piece. I'm about to steal him off this guy. I'm just kidding. Anyways, car is all done. It literally took him maybe 3-4 hours. He also put new spark plugs for us because he said there were stock spark plugs on a custom tune. Not the best combination. So now the car's gonna be running a lot better. Did the oil change, obviously, and now the crank up. So we don't have to worry about that either. So shout out to Cody, shout out to S5X Performance. Like I said, if you guys need anything done, even just maintenance, bro. I mean, you guys can see, you walk right into a shop, you see all the F80s. Clear proof right here that he knows everything about these cars and everybody trusts him. All done.
Wait, I gotta hold it in place. Okay.
This car's a lot bumpier than the X3M, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that car is so fast. Bro, it feels so much better to this.
Okay.
To have a peace of mind. Like, that little crank up issue was just stressing me out. Every time I drove this car, I would literally not even drive it past like 5,000 RPMs. I was always babying it. Yes, I would do some verbals, but I would never like rev it out all the time. And now I can finally drive it.
So does it feel different or what? Or no?
Honestly, it feels like it has a little bit more power. But it's because we changed up the spark plugs too, so it just feels like it drives way better. All right, guys, we have just made it out to a little private car meet with all the homies. Pretty much just a bunch of close homies. Look who pulled up. My boy who sold me the vet. This is his personal vet. I haven't showed you guys yet, but this is his personal car. You guys might remember. Crazy story. He let me drive this car like about a year, maybe 2 years ago. And in that vlog, I don't know what vlog it is, I gotta find it, but in that vlog, I told him I'm gonna buy a Corvette off of him. And a whole year or two goes by, and I ended up buying one off of him, dude. So he buys and flips Corvettes. He told me when he got the one that I got, he was like, yo, I found the perfect vet for you. It's the perfect color. It's stock for content. It's literally the perfect vet. So literally that next day, I went to his house, I test drove it, and then that's when we bought the Corvette. This is also red. Just wait till mine's done, and we're gonna have a little photo shoot, and we'll go more cruises together, because both the red cars are gonna look sick together. Do you guys see how good this looks compared to mine? I got the stock headlights, which I gotta change those out. I need a front lip. The front lip changes everything on every car. He got the side skirts. He has the carbon fiber trunk lid as well. I think he got the carbon diffuser too. It's also cammed, of course. I'll show you guys how it sounds right now. It sounds insane, but this is pretty much how I want mine to look soon, hopefully. And we got an R right here on bags with TEs. Sheesh, look at that. So fire, bro, and hella low. This is cool too, a yellow F82. I feel like you hardly see yellow ones. I wonder if it's paint or wrapped. I don't know. It might be paint, to be honest. But more BMWs, that crazy G80 from the last video. It's funny how everyone thinks that my R8 is purple. I haven't told you guys the color, but I've been telling you guys to guess what color we're wrapping the R8. Because it's getting wrapped right now. It should be done like any day now. But everyone keeps thinking it's purple because I've been kind of pointing out a lot of purple cars. You guys might have caught me, I don't know. Is it purple? Maybe he did the same purple as Anthos GTR. But yeah, we brought the F80 today. F80 looks beautiful. I swear, I love this car so much more that it's painted all white, guys. I brought this car out of all the other ones because I just want to drive it and show it off. It just looks so good all white. I think it's the best version the car's ever been. Everyone's on TEs, huh? TEs. Oh, don't look over here, sir. Nothing to see here. But yeah, Anthro brought his GTR out. He just wrapped it purple. Kind of reminds me of like my old wrap that I used to have when it was kind of purple. Then he got the Japan plates. You guys remember in the last video he got pulled over? If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it. You gotta watch it. I was driving with Ray and I caught everything on camera, bro. He was low-key racing someone in Mexico. A cop saw the whole thing. If you guys want to see what happens, go watch the video, guys. It's literally the last video I posted.
Already? Damn, freaky ass. I should hurt my hand.
Now you guys can hear the vet. Oh my God, you see what I mean, bro? That's what I need. You want to just trade?
Got you, bro.
Oh, I can't wait to freaking cam it, bro. Bro, we really live in a Fast and Furious movie. Like, we do this every night. I feel like the LA car scene is unbeatable, guys. I don't know. I've been to a lot of places. I've traveled a lot of places, but the vibes here, bro. It's literally like Fast and Furious. But the fact that we really do this every day, like this is the life. This dude's ready to race somebody. Oh my God, but you guys hear the turbo? Man, the Aria is so sick. Bro, I can't wait to get my car back. I told him he should do the T's white. Imagine a white on white R8. White on white on that will be fire, bro. That's just so nice. That tire's ridiculous. It's huge. Sick ass food. Oh my God. God damn. I think when the Z06 is done, it might be faster than my G80. We'll see. Oh my God.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.